everyone and welcome along to Dewsbury Railway Station, and kicking us off will be 150-270, working the slightly delayed 10:06 northern service of Leeds through to Huddersfield. Trundling up behind him will be 8:02-201, working 1K12 for Transpennine Express from Hull through to Liverpool Lime Street. Arriving next into the station is 185-125 and 185-104, working the 10:27 Transpennine Express service from Manchester Victoria through to Scarborough.
Steamer should board the front 5 coaches. First class accommodation can be found in zones 3 and 4. Standard class in zones 1 and 2, 5 and 6. Such as this in zones 5 and 6.
Next train out to depart is 185-109, working the 10:26 Transpennine Express service from Scarborough through to Manchester Victoria. Next out to depart for Northern is 158-901 and 158-853, with the 10:35 Northern service from Leeds through to Wigan Wallgate. Flying through the station for Transpennine Express is 8:02-204, working 9 Mike 09 from Newcastle through to Liverpool Lime Street. Next train out to depart is 158-753, working the 10:45 Northern service from Wigan Wallgate through to Leeds. Arriving next into the station will be 185-151 and 185-134, working the 10:57 Transpennine Express service from Manchester Airport through to Redcar Central. There does seem to be a storm brewing as 185-111 gets ready to depart with the 10:57 Transpennine Express service from Redcar Central through to Manchester Airport. Do you remember 150-270 disappearing earlier in the video? Well, here comes a replacement for it in the form of 150-006. Yeah, I know, go figure. It's working the 1109 Northern service from Huddersfield through to Leeds. And to take us to our next station, here comes 185-115, working the 1104 Transpennine Express service from Leeds through to Huddersfield. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed what you saw, click on the 2 videos here at the end screen. Helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new and got this far. And we'll see you all in the next video, folks, wherever that may take us. We'll see you then, folks.